We are Novalume. We make cities smart. Streetlights are vital to the infrastructure of smart cities, where intelligent streetlights serve as weather stations, air quality and noise sensors, traffic monitoring and public Wi-Fi networks. By monitoring people, vehicles and environment, and harnessing street-level analytics and data, our connected LED streetlights with Lumintell create a new generation of cities more efficient, more intelligent and more sustainable. And green evolution pays. Thanks to your new smart city lighting solution with LED technology and IoT-ready network, we can significantly reduce your energy consumption, CO2 emissions and maintenance costs by up to 75%. We don't just make going green the most advantageous financial model, we also make it effortless. Our modular flexible Lumintell system with pre-configured sensors transforms your street lighting infrastructure into a network of smart and connected devices. Your lighting network becomes the backbone of your smart city. And it's easy to get started. As a city leader, Lumintell lets you grow your smart city solution according to your needs and objectives. Sustainability, savings, safety, and the well-being of your citizens, so you can upgrade your smart city with the sensors you need when you need them. Each streetlight is connected to an online application accessed via lumintell.city. Via your tablet or smartphone, you can now access a customized smart city dashboard to help you take data-driven decisions and improve public services. Easy to use and intuitive, your Lumintell dashboard lets you manage your city more efficiently with network map and luminaire status, smart dimming profiles and groups so you can reduce your lighting costs and light intelligently according to the season, time of day, or even special occasions. Live maintenance with detailed failure reports, performance graph and reports with comparative data, and even smart data from sensors. Join other visionary cities around the world and start benefiting from a new smart city lighting solution. Contact us today.